Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another beautiful morning in Kauai. Had a pretty good sleep last night. Dumped rain on us, but we're at Anini Beach, which is the same beach we camped at. It's a little further down. We're gonna snorkel this morning, I think, because it's finally not raining. Should be a fun little adventure. We just had some pizza and made some coffee under those awnings over there. So that was pretty fun. Take you along on the snorkel, maybe hopefully see some turtles or some fish or something fun. You ready?
Starts right now.
Steve doesn't realize that you can walk backwards.
I'm taking them on.
If you can't tell, we snorkel so hard. US Diver, sponsored. As you can see from that footage, snorkeling was super fun. We found a bunch of sea turtles and fish and yeah, super fun time. Now we're actually at this river, pretty close to where we're camping, and we're gonna paddle up the river as far as we can go. Should be a sweet little paddle. You! Yeah, that's pretty fun. Just paddleboarding into the jungle. What do you think about this, Steve?
Pretty sweet.
Yeah?
Going in on the river.
We do not want to fall in.
I do not want to fall in.
The water is very brown. That used to be a bridge right there. It is not exactly functioning anymore. We made it quite a ways up the river, past the bridge where the highway went, and then we hit this rapid area, and we can't get up the river. It's flowing too fast for us.
Yeah.
The rocks are hitting our tails, but also it's flowing pretty fast.
It's going pretty quick.
That's a pretty quick river. The thing is, there's a waterfall like right up there that we really want to see.
Go get it.
We saw it from afar. We wish we had brought our chacos. That's the Hawaii dream, is finding a little hidden waterfall. We might have hit an impasse because we think the waterfall is like probably 150 yards that way. And there was a little trail that goes up right here, but that looks like it leads onto private property up here. So we feel like we have to stay on the river. Can't do it in bare feet. We're now debating if we go back and grab our chacos and paddle back up here. Okay, so we're heading back now. We're gonna paddle back and then see how we feel. Then we might bring our chacos back and try to river cruise it. Look at Steve, just a wild man. Back on board, baby. Kind of a, look how cinematic of me. Drifting a pullback. A nice pullback.
Pretty good.
Wow. We have chacos in hand.
Take two.
Going back for more. Hopefully this footage is worth it. We might make it like 50 feet further and then get stuck, so That would be a bummer. A part that took us 15 minutes just took us like 30 seconds. We're feeling strong. Chacos are pretty good. Through the foliage, we spot a wild Steven. That there's a fine specimen. Woo!
We made it.
You hear that sound?
Going back to the Chacos did it.
That's the sound of victory.
Oh, you can already start seeing the base of it.
Yeah, here we go.
Boom, look at that.
I wonder how deep this is gonna be.
I'll let you find out.
Okay. I am the braver one. A little unstable footing here. Wow.
Pretty deep. Here we go, into the wild. Off with you now. We use these wonderful branches to get across this raging river.
Very.
Eat one.
Probably edible.
This is insane. Wow. Wow. Now we just have to get up that.
Yeah. This is so cool. Definitely highly recommend.
Yeah.
Bring Chacos. It's an adventure to get here, but
Yeah.
that is so sick.
I did see one guy with an inflatable paddleboard get up most of this way and ride these rapids down.
Look at Steve. We're gonna take you guys behind because it's so sick. Sweet little chasm thing. There's the waterfall. Look at that. You ready? Yeah. We're gonna float it. That was one of the coolest hikes I've ever done.
That was so sick.
How would you rate it out of 5 stars?
5.
Yes. When you're behind the waterfall, you really understand like the power of that water. It's crazy. That was a very Hawaiian experience. Kind of cool that we just like explored and found that. I'm sure plenty of other people know about it, but to us it was kind of an exploration thing, so that was really fun. If you know me, you know I love a secret spot. That gets 5 stars for me. Made it back to the boards. It is such a nice day today. This is like by far the nicest day I think we've had here.
Yeah.
There's been like a couple tiny rain showers today, but so fun.
Pretty clear.
Yeah, we're on the North Shore, so like all the mountains behind Honolulu, tons of little waterfalls coming down.
Yeah, the waterfalls are on.
And we saw a waterfall up close and personal. It's been a solid day.